Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will be sharing some basic tips of sketching. And so let's get started. So in the starting you will see that I am revolving my hand, and that means that I am trying to draw a perfect circle, right? So for that you all have to do is start revolving your hand the way I did, and after that make your pencil take contact with the paper, and you will be having a very perfect circle like this. And see that while drawing circles, you should keep your hands in the air, right? So that it will give you a perfect curve, and it will be so easier to draw. And if you will notice, I will be drawing more and more circles because circles are very important. And try to draw different size of circles like this, and see that drawing big circles are not really difficult, but try to draw some small circles which are perfect. And try it in the starting, in the starting it will not be perfect, but if you will practice daily you will get a perfect circle. And see that if you want the center of the circle, you can draw two diameters of the circle, and just the point of intersection of them will be the center. And if you are not getting a perfect circle, take a square and try to draw a circle inside it. You will be able to draw these things if you practice daily. Just do more and more, more and more, more and more. Just keep doing it. And next part is the ellipses, right? Sketching ellipse is also a really basic part which everyone should know. By ellipse you can say it ellipse as a oval, and but it's not really oval. You can see that I'll sketching ellipses. To sketch a perfect ellipse, I think you should draw two perpendicular lines and take equal distance on both lines and join them by curvy lines, and you will have an ellipse. See how I'm drawing and follow the same method, practice, and you will have an ellipse. Ellipse is not really easy, so keep practice it, and practice it more and more. You will be able to draw that. Always see that you are going light in the starter, and after that you are making it dark and erasing the light lines. It will be very good, and you will be having a perfect sketch. See that I'm taking that line and I'm joining them. So in the first video I have told you that practice straight lines also, because straight lines are really important. If you are not getting a straight line, see that take 2 points and try to join them with a perfect line. So that first in the starting you should take 2 points really closer, and after that you can take them very apart, and you will be able to draw that straight lines. See, straight lines are really important, so keep practicing it. And in the last I am showing that how to use these basic parts to draw some solids. Like this was a cylinder, and now I am sketching a cone. See, I am taking a ellipse and joining them with two straight lines. We are having a cylinder, taking an ellipse, making a straight line, joining them with the two slanting lines, and we are having a cone. And this is how you are sketching cuboids. So this is the really important part of sketching, right? good sketchers should know this all things. So keep practice it and make them perfect. You will be able to draw some good sketches. This is a sphere. Actually, sphere doesn't look as a sphere if you it is just a circle. When you color it or when you give the shadow and the highlight effect, you will be having. So thank you. This was all. Please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it.